Good morning, children. In today's class of our E.V.S, we're going to learn Learning Plan 3 Birds' Nests. Where do we all live, children? We live in our home or we live in our house. Animals live in the jungle or in the forest or they live with us. So, in the same way, birds also live in the nest. Different birds build different kinds of nest. These are the different kinds of nest the birds have built. They use their beaks to make their nest. This is the beak of the bird. They use their beaks to make the nest. Birds use the materials they find in their surroundings to build their nest. Some common materials birds use are twigs. Twigs are small branches of trees or plants. Straw, dried stem of wheat or rice plants. Feathers, grass, eggshells, and mud. So these are the different materials birds use to make their nest. Some birds make holes in the barks of trees. If you see here, this is how the woodpecker is making a nest in the bark of the tree and make their nest in them. So, birds nest. Birds build nests. Why they build nests? To stay and also to lay their eggs and take care of their young ones. Some birds do not build their own nest. This is the cuckoo bird and the crow. They both look similar. So, cuckoo does not build a nest. It will lay its eggs in the crow's nest. So, this is our learning plan 3 birds' nests. We'll see different types of nests. The first one is weaver's nest. This is the weaver bird and this is the nest of the bird. Robin's nest. This is crow nest. Crow's nest. This is a pigeon nest. And this is swallows. These are the swallow birds and the nest is made with the mud. And this is woodpecker's nest. Okay. This is the learning plan 3 for today. I'll see you in the next class. Okay, you all complete the given work. Okay, children, bye bye.